Let's go for a walk this morning. There is nothing like going for a walk on a fall morning. The air is a little bit cooler and you can smell a sweetness to it too. The fields are starting to change colors. It's just gorgeous. The clouds are in the sky. Farmers are working hard. It's the perfect time to ponder on my day and talk to God. The leaves are changing on the trees, and everyone is setting out their decorations for Halloween. I captured some adorable houses that are all set up. I look very forward to getting coffee as soon as I get back to the house. Coffee is almost done. Come on, coffee, you can do it. Time for breakfast. This is a definite fall and winter staple that I have, and this one is maple and brown sugar. It's steel cut oats, just a perfect cozy breakfast. And I gotta have my coffee. Isn't this cup just the cutest thing? I love the green on the inside. I have to wash bedding today, so I want to get this comforter in right away. Now it's time for me to put some makeup on this face. I am still using the L'Oreal Magic BB Cream. It's light and it covers up really well, so I'm happy with this so far. I bounce between this one and my CC cream. This is a heavier one for me. I enjoy the lighter one, especially on warm days. It goes on white and then it just blends in. And I use this little blender to blend it in even more. For lipstick lately, I have been wearing, it's number 235 and it's called Warm Me Up and it's by Maybelline. Like the perfect, like what is that, rose color? It's so pretty. It's a natural color. There. I'm all ready for the day. Every once in a while, I have these brilliant ideas, I say sarcastically, of I need a change with my hair and I'll cut my bangs or put like a whole bunch of layers in or go further up, you know, make it shorter, and then I regret it because then I have to style it, I have to figure it out. At first it's like, oh, it's so cute, and then after a while I'm like, what did I do? Why did I do that? So a few months ago I had cut my bangs and they are growing out, and oh my goodness, are they driving me crazy. Anyway, this coffee hit the spot, so I'm gonna go get me another cup. Washer's done. We need another box of Kleenex in our bathroom. I use these pinchers. It helps me get the stuff that's way up on that shelf. Look at that, that was easy. Usually it's a lot harder than that because I'll grip something and it just falls right down. I'm like, no! Crashes into everything on the way down. Yeah, laundry, I gotta do that. I have a dryer full of towels. I've got to fold those, and the washer just ended, so I gotta switch that around. So, oh my goodness, we have a lot to do. Towels are folded, now I need to get them put away. And I wanna add these right into the dryer and fluff them up. I need to clean my bathroom, so I'm gonna grab some cleaners here. I'm starting off by spraying the sinks and the toilet. And then I let the solution sit in these while I dust all of the light fixtures. I got the top of the shower. I get into the shower, do around the window. I do the little hangers here. Basically anywhere that I think dust is going to sit and collect. Look, aren't these little soap dispensers the cutest thing? I got these last year at Meijer. Just a simple hand soap that's decorative is perfect for the holiday seasons. Me and Jason have been talking about things that we want to add to the house or things that we want to change. We have a small list of things that we still want to get for the house. One of them is bar stools. I want to get some bar stools, but let me tell you, those things are expensive. Either that or I just have really super good taste. What's that saying? It's a champagne taste on a beer budget. That's me. I found these bar stools that I love. They would be perfect. They're like $1,200 a piece. So I have some searching to do. I gotta figure it out and find something less expensive. Also, we have been discussing closets and the pantry. I had to grab the broom really quickly. So I have the toilet is done, sinks are done, and now I go around and I sweep the bathroom floor. But what I was saying is we were discussing we're thinking about having somebody come in and actually do the closets. Plus we want to do the closet here in the bathroom, the linen closet, and our closet, our clothes closet. We need drawers. We really just need a plan. I think we have an idea of what we want. And then we want to do that pantry. I like to keep my pans in the pantry, so I would really like some, in my mind I have cubbies, you know, in a corner to put the pans in the corner. But we'll see, because it's not a very big pantry, so we'll just see what they come up with. Now in Austin, I had Closets by Design, I believe, came out and did it, and I would just, the closet itself was really good, but the process was awful. And I had said I'm not gonna ever go through them again, but honestly, now that we've been through it, we know exactly what to expect. We will actually be able to go through the process and be like, okay, this is what, you know, we've worked with your company before and this is what we want, A, B, C, D. So that's something in the future that I will take you along with me, because you're in it for the long haul. Okay, I'm going to get sweeping these floors, and then I need to go into my bedroom and start cleaning my bedroom. Our toilet area gets so dusty. Look at those big clumps of dust all over. Every week I sweep out that little toilet cubby room and it's so dusty. And whoever says that housework is not exercise is crazy, because I can feel like I am out of breath at times, and it's just, I don't know, it's good cardio. But I mean, I'm really sweeping and I'm really scrubbing and I'm walking here and walking there and doing all the things. So it's gotta count as a workout. It definitely counts as steps. I take my Swiffer and I just go around and I dust. I don't dust around everything. I do pick this stuff up and dust underneath of it, but I dust my end tables. I dust my headboard, my footboard, my ceiling fan. I like to dust the lights and the fan, make sure no little dust webs are hanging anywhere. Even though it is October and dust webs are totally fine, I personally need to knock them down. And we don't want spiders in them. Ew! Okay, let's not even go down that road. I'm gonna let my little Roborock vacuum the carpet and the rest of that bathroom floor. While she's doing that, I'm gonna go into the laundry room. The washer and dryer both have ended, and I need to fold those clothes. Clothes are folded. These ones I hang up. Comforter is in the dryer. Once the vacuum cleaner is done in my bedroom, I can put the sheets and pillowcases in my washer. We're gonna take Cooper bye-bye. Do you wanna go bye-bye, Coop? He's tilting his head. Now that I'm back, I gotta finish what I was doing, so we're heading into the bedroom. The vacuum is done. Oh, that just looks lovely. Don't you just love vacuum lines through a carpet? I have to put the bath mats back on the floor and set the toilet papers back on the floor. Bath mats are down. Sheets and pillowcases are in the washer. I'm gonna keep working on my bedding this afternoon, but it is noon already. Can you believe it? Mornings go by so quickly. What are some of the things that you do in your morning routine? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Hang on a second. Here are 2 more videos that you can watch next. Thank you so much.